Do you remember our friend from the trailer park that punched through a window? If not, go see this video. If you do, you're awesome. And this is the conclusion of that story. This is my partner, Mary, and I'm KO Medic. I talk about simple, life-saving skills. So, while transporting him, I noticed he had some swelling going on to his hand. I immediately felt for a pulse, and sure enough, he had one. Oh crap. Why is this a bad thing? Well, can you tolerate some anatomy and physiology real quick? Don't worry, in the true KO Medic style, we will keep it real simple. As you probably know, we have veins and arteries. Veins have slow-moving blood returning to the heart. Arteries have fast-moving blood with oxygen and other good crap. How is that for simple? Well, my tourniquet was successfully stopping the flow of slow blood back to the heart, but because he had swelling and I could feel a pulse, the artery was still pumping blood in past the tourniquet. So what did I do? What should you do? Remove the tourniquet and whatever happens, happens. Stop. I'm joking. Good God. Imagine someone was watching this video while dealing with a bleed. No, don't remove the first tourniquet. That's a doctor's job. Seriously, that extremity is now basically filled with toxic blood. What you need is another hole to drain it out. Also a joke. Okay, for real this time. Check the first tourniquet and see if you can tighten it. You want to try to lose the pulse below the tourniquet. If for some reason you can't get that one tight enough, it's time for tourniquet number 2. Ideally, you want to apply a second tourniquet above the first one. But if you can't do that, place it as close to the first one as possible. Now that you have 2 tourniquets in place, we are going to apply more direct pressure. So anyway, to fully conclude the story, when we got him to the hospital, the ER doc was pissed to see hand swelling. He was ready to chew my ass. But then I showed him the second tourniquet, and he realized I did what I could do. Well, if you made it this far, do me a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Also, this is for entertainment only. Take care.